everyone, this is Lucy, and today I will be showing you how to keep the top row visible while scrolling down in Excel. So I have this title row where I have all this contents, and I want this row to be visible at all times when I scroll through the sheet. So in order to do this, I will need to go to this View tab in between Review and Help, and here you will see this freeze panes in the window ribbon, and you will see this freeze top row in this drop down menu. You can see it says keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. Click on that, and now you will see that as long as I scroll down, it is visible at all times. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.